Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method not working on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your payment method is not working, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode, and it will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, simply go back, open up your settings, and here you have to go for the screen time option. Simply tap on it and you will get the option of content and privacy restrictions. You simply tap on it, and from here, if you want, you can either disable all the restriction, or you have to disable a simple restriction from here. So open up the app installation and purchases from here, and then select in-app purchases, and you just have to simply select allow. Once you have selected allow, it will fix the problem that because it was that your app store or app purchases was not allowed to access your payment method, and once you have enabled the setting, so it will allow to that. So in this way you can easily fix if you're having an issue that your payment method not working on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.